Find or read reviews that people are talking about VINGLI Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum, Automatic Swimming Pool Cleaner, for above-ground pools/in-ground pools up to 40 feet. 7500 mAh/auto docking, charging for 2 hours. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Battery upgrade. The robotic vacuum cleaner only takes 2 hours to fully charge. Battery capacity 7500 mAh. The brief charging time makes it ready to serve your pool. It can clean your pool for 90 minutes. The automatic vacuum has a large capacity of 4 liters, no need to remove garbage during the cleaning process, and can clean a pool of about 900 square feet at one time. Easy to use. The VINGLI cordless pool vacuum can be free from dealing with messy hoses and tangled lines. Easy to operate, just one click of the on button, put the pool vacuum in the pool and you can go do something else. Easy life, so simple. Support pool types. The robotic pool cleaner is suitable for all kinds of materials and shapes of above-ground/in-ground flat-bottomed pools. It can also climb slopes less than 15 degrees. Sparkling pool. The pool cleaning robot has strong suction power. Itself comes with a dual-drive motor, plus 2 large suction ports, easily cleans most pool bottoms of grit, dirt, hair, and small leaves and more. Deep clean your pool. Cleaning the filter is also very easy, take out the filter and clean it with one flush. Smart navigation. The robot pool cleaner will turn around when it hits the wall while working. The pool vacuum will turn around when it hits the wall when it is working. Do not need to jump into the pool to salvage, just use the hook to take out. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.